So guys, today I will make a YouTube ideas notebook for my lovely 200 fam. So let's get started. At first I am outlining the drawing. I am making it for YouTube. You can make it as per your choice, and at last of the video I have shown some ideas. You can definitely check out that. So I am erasing the pencil traces. I have drawn a Mario character here. You can go as per your choice. Now I have started coloring. Using a red marker here. So here I have used a blank diary and covered it with black sheet and pasted the drawing on it. Then I have used quilling strips and a glitter foam sheet to write these ideas. Now here are some ideas for you to try. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.